If you're ready to learn how to use a Stairmaster so you can take the next big step in your fitness journey, give this video a thumbs up for good luck and let's get started. While this Stairmaster may look different from the one you have, I find that they all are pretty similar at the end of the day with all the same features that do the same thing, so this can definitely still be a helpful tutorial for you to get familiar with the Stairmaster even if your Stairmaster is not exactly the same. On this Stairmaster screen, you can see all the different options you have here, whether you want to do one of the Stairmaster's workouts, throw some Netflix on the screen, connect your headphones, and much more. You can also see how fast you're going, how many floors you've walked, and how long you've been working out. Right underneath the screen, you have a place to set your phone, wallet, keys, and whatever else you need to store, as well as a spot for your water bottle. If you're needing a little bit of extra support, you can always hold onto any of these handlebars that you see here as well. To get the Stairmaster going, just press the big green button here that says Start. It will always begin at a pretty slow pace, so there's no need to worry that it'll go too fast right off the bat. To increase the speed, your Stairmaster should have two different options for this on the right side of the machine. One, you can just push the plus sign on the screen where it says level, or two, you can push the plus button here on the right handle. Likewise, if you need to decrease the speed, just click the minus sign on the screen next to the word level, or click the minus button on the left handle. If you need to pause or stop your workout, click the red button here that says pause stop. You can then choose whether you want to do a cool down, which is usually just a minute or two at a slower pace than what you were just doing, or stop the workout entirely or get started with your walk again. When you're done and want to end the workout, you can also just press the large red button on the right hand side on the handle here that says stop, which will automatically stop the Stairmaster. And that's literally everything you need to know to get started using a Stairmaster, my babes. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. I do have more tutorials like this in my how to use gym equipment playlist linked in the description. If you're looking to add some new cute pieces to your gym wardrobe and aren't sure where to shop, check out Oner Active, which is where my outfit is from and my go-to for trendy, cute, and classic gym pieces that stand the test of time. Shop through my link in the description to support my channel so I can continue making free content just like this. Full outfit details will also be in the description. Hey babes, if you're here, I know it's because you're ready to take that next big step in your fitness journey and I'm so excited for you. However, as a content creator, personal trainer, and someone who started my fitness journey watching videos online just like you, I know that watching YouTube videos can really only take your fitness journey so far. So if you're truly ready to dive in deep with your fitness journey and reach those goals as fast as possible, click the link in the description to join my one-on-one coaching and let me help make your fitness journey easier to navigate. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hit that thumbs up button if you thought this video was helpful, and don't forget to also subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on future helpful videos just like this. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you in the next one.